Hello and welcome to my oral presentation for ITEC 617 Modern Database. First of all, I'm going to share my screen real quick. Okay, the first thing I did was create a full data set for my project, and the data set looks something like this. And after that, I used the pandas library in Python to break it down into smaller CSV for to import on the table. So I have those CSVs like these. And so after that, I used MySQL to create tables. And you can see the tables on the left rows here for each of the join as well as individual entities. And so now let's run through the queries. The first query, here you can see we're selecting donors ID, name, and amount. And we're looking for donors who are participated in campaign number C608. And it is ordered in a descending order, limit 10, meaning we're looking for top 10 donors who are participated in campaign C608. So let's run the queries. And there you go. Then the next one, we are selecting, sorry. Okay, so we are looking for volunteer information, and there's a count function there, meaning and grouping by volunteer ID. So it means we're looking for each volunteer's number of campaigns they're associated with. So let's run the query. There you go. Next one. So here we're looking for campaign information for only those whose status is active and whose end date has not it has not ended yet because it's greater than now. So meaning we're looking for active status who are still looking asking for donations. Okay, so let's run the campaign. Okay, the code. Oops, sorry. Okay, next one. Um, okay, so we're looking for donors information associated with each campaign, and here where the campaign count is greater than one. So basically we're looking for donors who have participated in more than one campaign. So let's run. Yep. Okay, and then next one. Here we are again looking for donor information with average and calculating the average of their donation amount by using the AVG function. So basically each donor's average donation amount is what we're going to query for. Okay, here you go. And then let's look for the other one. Okay, here we are looking for climate impact data, which are associated with each campaign. So basically counting the number of campaigns that each impact is associated with. So let's run. Yep, there you go. And then number 9. Okay, here we're looking for volunteer information, and we're only looking for those volunteers who have participated in campaign where the raise fund is greater than 5,000. Okay, so let's run the code. Okay, so these are the name of the volunteer who have participated in high funds basically campaign. Okay. Okay, number 10. So we're looking to get the information of campaign and then fund needed, raise fund. And this is for those campaigns that have not yet met the fund needed. So fund raise is less than fund needed, and also the difference update is less than 10 from now, meaning so these campaigns are less than 10 days from meeting their funds and they have not made it yet. So we're looking for those campaigns. Okay. All right, next one. Okay, here we're looking for environmental resources data associated with each campaign. So we're doing the count campaign ID, meaning we're looking for how many campaigns is associated with this environmental resource. And also we're doing order by descending and limit 10, meaning we're looking for the top 10. Okay. And then the last one. So here We're looking for some of the top campaigns where the donation is maximum, and also the total volunteers as well as the total donors is greater than zero, meaning there cannot be zero volunteer and donor. There has to be at least one of both. And then we are limiting by three and ordering in descending order. So we're looking for the top three campaigns in that perspective. Yep, and then that's all the SQL queries I have. So this marks the end of my presentation. Thank you.